and thank you for making me part of your day. And what we're going to do with this day is paint models from Warhammer 40K's Leviathan box set. So go ahead and grab your Skywalker glove and let's get a painting. But before we can get to that painting, you got to listen to a message from one of the Sophies. We're going to start painting our model here, my people, with Mr. Airbrush, and we're going to paint the entire bottom half of our Ripper model with black. We're going to keep using Mr. Little Old Airbrush here, only this time we're going to load him up with Scarlet Red and paint the entire top half of our model. Next, my people, what we're going to do is get our medium dry brush or our number 3 makeup brush, and we're just going to go ahead and tickle this Ripper all over with a circular pattern with our white paint. Alright, after we gave our Ripper there that coat with the white, what we're going to do is start adding to our layer redundancy with our airbrush again, this time loading it up with bloody red. The next thing we're going to do to add to our layer is start the shade, and we're going to use our detail brush and the purplish paint they call Druchii Violet. I'm going to start making these Rippers look like proper Tyranids, and for that I'm going to turn to Mr. Little Old Airbrush, and I'm going to give just the very slight lowest setting you can get on your airbrush here, back and forth motion with Liverly Green. My detail brush here is going to need himself a closer, and for that, he went to the bullpen and brought out Mr. Bile Green.
Now what you've all been waiting for, the smoky reveal. want Studio Baldross to paint something for you, then check out the links on the homepage or Etsy. And don't forget to click on our other videos.